yun lang, no? Happy na ako ngayon na may time na ako para sa aking family na hindi na siya magreklamo tuwing March and October na parating wala dahil nandun sa Barangay Assembly. Ngayon, March and October, nandyan na ako. Pero nanonood na lang ng Netflix. So sa ating lahat, mabuhay ang DLG, mabuhay tayong lahat. Unlad!
And my life verse is makita sa Psalm 37:4. Delight yourself in the Lord and He will grant you the desires of your heart. And I'm a testimony sa kaninga verse for many of the desires of my heart have been granted by the Lord.
I thank you for the memories. I thank you for the lessons and the journey of lifetime. It has been my honor and privilege to serve with you. This isn't goodbye. It's simply the beginning of a new chapter. So maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.
I encourage everyone to reflect on the achievements and lessons of the past year and to set our sights on even greater accomplishment ahead. Together, we can continue to make a difference in the lives of the people we serve. May we all have joyous and meaningful holiday season filled with love, gratitude, and renewed energy to face the coming year. Thank you. Happy holidays. Happy New Year po sa inyong lahat. Goodbye!